clips off. Yeah, it seems to be connected. Sorry, the screen's really small compared to the old iPhone. Yeah, it seems to be attached by an earth lead, which is then connected up there. Yeah, I must have to remove it from up there. Or maybe it's just a clip holding it on. Might try that first. Just had to, yeah, pull it out, pull it through the hole. So that should all just push in there now. Well, be touched by one more. Yeah, this one here. It's almost out. Yeah, this headlight was pretty screwed actually. Just one bolt slightly holding it, the other one broken off. But we'll get it fixed. So now I got those lights out and I'm starting to clean it up. The idea initially was to get it completely down to bare metal, but some might say I'm doing this out of pure laziness, but I'm thinking, no, aesthetics, for pure aesthetics, nothing to do with a painstaking task of removing endless amounts of paint. But I'm just going to tidy all the paint off just around the fringes here, get in here as well, and then mask the bulb bit out, spray paint it black. Yeah, so back onto the old petrol tank. I was thinking, instead of painting up the old tank, looking at the car, I'm loving the line, the bottom line of the chassis there, uninterrupted by the bump of the petrol tank. Makes the car look a bit wider maybe. So I'm thinking, if I have to do the petrol tank anyway, what about a fuel cell or a fuel tank in the boot? I mean, I'm not really going to use the boot for luggage. I mean, does anyone use luggage anymore? I don't know. I'm a hermit. I don't like to go anywhere. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm going to investigate that further. If anyone's done it, or knows how to do it, give us a heads up. But that's where my brain's going at the moment. So I'm going to attempt old mate from Shiny Fast and Loud's channel, the hack on how to get the rear lower using these that are designed for four-wheelers. Yeah, so I got all the bits off, the clamp, the nuts and bolts with the 6,000 washers. So I thought I might just clean them up a bit before I put them on and just clean up the area a little bit. So I might just start with a bit of degreaser. I probably should just straight away do it. So I just got some new wheel bolts. I got them from a place called Bits for Blokes. Cheap, and they got here quickly. You know, they may be too cheap, but they'll probably do just to get the wheels on the car, the new wheels on the car. But I think they're a bit too short. Put them up against the old ones. Yeah. And the main reason I had to get new ones is because the old ones, obviously a completely different shape onto the wheel. These ones are tapered, but they may be too short, may not be safe. The main reason that I've gone back to the wheel bolts as opposed to the wheel studs, which I initially thought of doing, yeah, I could not get these consistently on the hubs. Some would go in a little way, some would go in too far. It's just all over the place. So, yeah, I just went back to just the wheel bolts. Yeah, so we got those ones on just to test it fairly easily. I put the rotor on just for a bit of space. I'm not sure if there's enough space. I started masking the headlights off. Gonna get some black paint into there. Okay, I already did one coat. Yeah, camera died, so I had to go and charge it up. So it's dried for about an hour, I guess. So I'm just going to hit it with another one. You'll only need 2 coats because it's pretty hidden anyway.